So welcome everyone. This video will be the first and last video of this channel because it's a highly demanded video. There were many comments, so I had to make this video because it's something I had to do with my can't upset the subscribers' hearts. First of all, I will explain how to use Elevenlabs for friction. How to use it, and I'll tell you in a second about the unusual activities program that's coming. I'll suggest 3 videos for you, which you can find on the end screen. One of them should help with your problem. I do not benefit from this video at all. It is solely for my subscribers that I put in so much effort to upload videos on this channel. I don't even know how long this video will stay up, so let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser and search for temp mail. And here, on the first website that appears, you just need to click on it. There are many problems that come up, but I'll fix them all from here and show you. Here, you need to copy, then tap on New Tab and search here for Elevenlabs. After searching, you should click on the first website. Once you've entered, go to the entry lines and sign up. Here, paste the same email ID and choose a password. You need to create a password using flowers. I need to sign up as a human. It says here it's already in use. So you have to go to temp mail again. Go to that tab and here, delete that email. When you click on delete, your email address will be auto-generated here. You will find a different address. Now you need to copy again, go back to the same tab, paste here, enter your password, click on I'm human and then sign up. Then your sign up will be done. You can see it here. So if such an option is coming, then you have to go to temp mail again and scroll down here. You can see here, the inbox is empty, so you have to click refresh. Now it will send you back up. You have to scroll again and an option will appear below in the inbox. A message has already arrived. And after tapping on this, the option to verify the email will appear.
You have to click on it, and that's the email address you have to copy and keep. Paste here again and use the same password you created for signing in. And after signing in, it's about setting something, choosing your name and whatever purpose you're using it for, just go ahead and do it. And coincidentally, you can record it in a video. I too have faced a problem with unauthorized activities, and if you look at my time, I'll solve it and show you right in front of you. It is now 14 hours and 17 minutes. Let's see how I solve this. The video will only be fast, and I haven't applied just one trick here. I have applied 2 or 3 tricks to see this. By now you must have gained trust, having seen it live in front of you.
Now go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.